Hi, my beauties. It's me, Asia, your favorite homegirl, and you know that I am more than just a nail tech. I am an entrepreneur trying to build her 7 streams of income, and I want to encourage y'all to do the same thing. So, if you, y'all see the title, so if you want to know how to apply acrylic and build the apex, well then, girl, I'm going to need you to just go on and keep on watching. Okay, guys, so you know we want to do this acrylic. This is my red iguana hand. I just put some tips on, nothing too special. The color that I'm using is by Valentino. The acrylic is a Valentino. It's called Exposed. And for this like example, because if you don't know, I'm basically out of a shop now, so I don't have any of my stuff at home. So I just have this monomer, Mia's Secret monomer. But I consistently on clients use Young Nails monomer. At one point in time, I could not see the difference between Mia's Secret and Young Nails. But now I think that I'm leaning more towards Young Nails than Mia's Secret. I'm not gonna lie. And I really can't put my finger onto why, but I feel like I see a difference with the acrylic and yeah, I don't know. It's still up for debate or discussion or whatever. Okay, so yes. So ever since I have a video uploaded talking about basically I quit doing nails and I just had like low confidence. And ever since like getting this application down, my confidence has definitely grown. Okay, so I'm about to like real quick move this over. So this is basically how I have my thing set up so that you can see this. Hold on, just real quick. So that's how I normally have it set up. And then I have my monomer in this jar. I got this from Big Lots and this from Amazon. I can't have this link down below because it's no longer available, but this is a size 18, so do what you want, right? So okay, so this is how I start out. Now I ain't gonna lie to you, the pinky is always like hard for me. I don't know why. Maybe because it's like starting out, so sometimes I grab more than what I need to, but yeah. So let's get down pack. Okay, so I basically, you know, I just play around with it for whatever until I feel like, okay, this is the time I'm going to pull it out, whatever. Okay, then I just wipe the sides, depending, because my brush holds a lot of liquid, so I would probably wipe the sides, wipe it again, and then I'll flip it. So this side was the side I wiped, and then this is the side that's going to go into the monomer. So let's see. And then pat it like 3 times. And then I'm gonna wait till it like gets a little, you see how like, did it get shiny? You guys can see. And then I'm going to like drain just a little bit and put it like down there. Right, okay, let's come back over here. And then I'm going to like blend it, okay. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so this one was a little bit too dry than what I like. I don't like them dry, and I don't know why I don't like them dry. I think it might be anxiety or whatever the case may be, but it does not. I do not do well when it's like it's stiff or whatever, but that's okay. It's really okay. But I would say like wipe the sides. Check the side view. It's all good. Okay, great. So we'll come back to this. I'm not really tripping about it. Hold on, y'all. So I'll let y'all see, okay? So then I'm just going to go back. Get what I need. I'll say I put it right here. Look at it from the side, make sure it's no, okay, great. Now let's just do this. I'm probably gonna show you again on the other finger so that we get it, but I just wanna correct what's wrong with it real quick. And you always want like the tip to be, I mean, I like mine a little bit thicker, but they say rule of thumb is like as thick as a credit card, so. And you always want to look at it from the side view. Okay, hold on. Okay, and let's. Okay, now. Okay, so now we're like, so right here is where the plastic tip makes the natural nail bed, right? So this is where I'm about to start building the apex. I'm gonna show, you know what, I'm actually seeing that I messed up. We're not going to do that now. I'm about to, so you can really see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm about to get my bead like how I want it. Okay. So put it down wherever you feel like it needs to go. I don't even wipe my brush, so there's still liquid on my brush so that the acrylic will move wherever I want to. But make sure like this area right here is like blended, like there's not like a little ledge or anything. Put it where you want to put it, and then like, okay, wipe. Then I like, you know, and then I wipe the sides to keep it shaped. Okay, boom, look to the side. All right, great. Now I keep doing this up until this point. Okay, so look, so I just need a little bit more, and then what I'm gonna do is literally just that might be a little bit. Oh shit, sorry, hold on. Now look, the reason why I say make sure this is like blended is so that, now I used to have a problem where I would put the acrylic, hold on, so I overlap it like this, right? And then I just, like, I don't take it no further past where the tip, when, you know, where the extension meets the natural nail, and I just swipe it down. Great, right? Wipe, wipe. Great. Right, look at it from the side. Now I used to have a problem where, let's say I put a bead here and then I thought that the second bead will reach it, and then it will be like a little space in between where it's like not weak, like it's weak maybe. So I overlapped the beads so that it would skip that, if you understand what I'm saying, right? Okay, so let's come over here so you can see what I'm doing. So now I will take, now we're at like where the tip meets the natural nail. This is how I started building my apex. So I take my brush, now seeing that this is a size 18, I'm going, now I want to have control over this bead, okay? So I'm going to wipe it, and I'm only going to use the corner of the brush, okay? And then I'm going to dip it in the powder, only using the corner. I'm going to drain it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it right here. And then I don't want it to move. So if I feel like I have too much liquid and it's moving too much, and then I just blend it. Now, if you feel like, for me, that wasn't high enough, right? So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do the next one. And sometimes you might have to grab a little bit more. It all depends. Like, I like a high apex, so it all depends on how high you like your apex. You don't want this to run all over the place. Like, you just want it to sit right, like right there. Okay, get it where you want. And then blend it. Yeah, I have to like play with it a little bit, because depending on how wet you have it, it might like try to like spread in a sense. But it's like, no, just sit up right there, okay? And then you want to just keep doing that until you get to the cuticle area. Remember, use the side of your brush. And I believe when you do nails, you play by the rules that work for you. Honestly. And I don't even say that as like, you know, like sketchy or anything, but they say, oh, only tap it 3 times. Girl, tap it however many times. Like, I guess you gotta know what your brush, and know like, if like my brush holds a lot of monomers, so it's like, okay, I know I can get a little bit, like, I don't know, just do what's best for you and your brush. I guess I should have said some more about that cuticle area. So, I can't pull it out. Okay, well, let me see. Okay, so we got a little bit of the cuticle area, right? So what I'll do in this situation, I'll give me a little bit, just a little bit. Dry it out just a little bit. I'll probably put it right here and then like push it back up in there. And I still got whatchamacallit on my brush, but you want to make sure your finger is pointing down so it don't push back into your cuticle area, and then blend it. And then, you know, clean it up. And then it's like, okay, like right here, that area is bothering me a little bit. So what we're gonna do, just get some. And there you go. And look at it from the side. Oops, sorry. From the side. Okay. I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna do another one, but I'm gonna fast forward it so we're not talking, okay? And then I'll probably come back once I get to the cuticle area. Okay guys, so I'm back, and so this is where we're gonna get to the cuticle one. All right, so I'm about to get my and then drain it. And I always kind of like put it down like right where it starts. And then I just like push it back up in there. That one was a little drier. I think it's like anxiety or something, because I do not like dry beads. I feel like I get like about it, but it's okay because it's definitely fixable. Yes, I think, and that was also another issue that I had was like with so at first I used to not drain my beads, and I think it would just like run all over the place. But seriously, like I really do feel like the drier the bead, it would make me feel very like nervous and anxious and stuff like that. So I just don't do it. No, like no. So now I just don't drain my wipe my brush off. Hold on. So like, okay, so you see there's a hump right there. I'll put it right here, and I'm just gonna correct the issue. Like it's not that big of a deal. And then boom. And then boom. What do you know? The issue has been fixed. How you doing? How you doing? What do you know? The issue has been fixed. Like I said, I like a high apex. So, you know, if you don't like a high apex, then you don't have to do it like how I'm doing it. But you don't have to do it as high. Let's say that. But that's how you do it. Look, guys, look how clean these look. Ooh. Hit it from the side view. You see the apex. You see it. I call it the hump. You see it. You see the hump. Yeah. Yes. I hope you guys actually like figure it out. If you can, let me know. Send me pictures. If you can't, we can redo it. We can talk about it over and over again until you get it. Cause girl, listen, like my confidence is 110% built from this. But then again, like I struggle with my nails lasting, and the last sets that I've been doing, they've been lasting over 2 weeks, or they'll take at 2 weeks, they'll take the whole set off. I'm like, girl, why don't you just come get your nails redone? But whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You come on now, like it. And if you like me, I'm gonna need you to go ahead in the comment section, put hashtag let's be homegirls, okay? Because listen, whatever I learn, I want y'all to know, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Say bye. See you later, y'all. Bye.